We made it. Bahamas, baby.
Before we made it to the harbor, I saw something in the water, and I made Dad go check it out.
What is...
Oh, buddy.
Oh,
Oh, buddy. No, it's too... They're mating.
Oh my gosh, it is too!
We are officially in the Bahamas. After a night in West End, we met Nikki and Brian on True North, and they captured this awesome video footage of us. While cruising, we still do life. We do school, chores, we play guitar while we're watching our fishing pole, and Dad works. When you're in the Bahamas and on anchor, all you have to do to get ready is put your bathing suit on.
The girls typically help with the dishes, but to save water while anchoring out in the Bahamas, I've declared myself the official dishwasher. In between chores, I typically help Tessa a lot with school and make sure the bigs have all their school done before they play. And in between Brian's work, he is always fixing or working on something aboard the boat. He can't complain too much because these views are incredible.
What are you doing, Dad?
Rigging a support block for a dinghy. That's quite sure how I'm gonna rig it up.
Recess time. We're gonna go swimming. Hopefully there's no sharks. Oh, it's fine. After we finished recess, we decided to get on the dinghy and go try to find a beach. The trail that led to the beach was marked by a bunch of things, buoys, shoes, and we even saw a television once. After walking the trail, we made it to the beach and we saw some amazing sea life.
It's kind of like snowman.
And it's like soft. Ooh.
On our way home, we saw 2 stingrays, our first ones in the Bahamas, but not the last. And I also had a shower to rinse off the salt water. And I took the dogs out for one more potty run.
After 2 fun and beautiful nights on anchor at Great Sale Cay, we decided to move on and explore another uninhabited island.
Look how cute my neighbors are.
After swimming off the back of our boat, we decided to go try to find another beach. After one failed attempt, we finally made it to the beach.
Hey, Captain.
Hey. Well, we're navigating to our next anchorage, and you can see how the water lightens up, and that's sand being pushed in with the tides. So we need to check the depth and make sure we can get in there properly. Always interesting traveling uncharted waters.
So me and Hannah went to take the dogs out, and we went to that shore, and we saw this shark. We didn't even get to shore, honestly, and this shark, like this big, came and started circling our boat. We're like, what's going on? Apparently they come and feed the sharks and rays here, so they thought our boat was gonna feed them. And then we came over here, and it did the same thing, and now there are two sharks kind of swimming our big boat. So yeah, no swimming here. After spending the day hanging out with the Caribbean reef sharks, we spent one night on anchor in Nunjack Key. This is going to be so embarrassing. Do not film me. Okay. She's not filming. Pulling up anchor to go to our next Bahamian island.
After many nights on anchor, it was great to put our feet back on land at the Green Turtle Club Resort Marina on Green Turtle Cay. But docking always came with some challenges, especially with the strong winds we encountered.
Yep, and beautiful Green Turtle Cay in the Bahamas, but we still continue the second time to bust out a window, so we have the ghetto boat in the marina.
Most islanders here in Green Turtle Cay get around on a golf cart, so that's exactly what we did to explore. First stop, Cocoa Bay to see the stingrays. Hold on, is this the thing that...
After spending time at Cocoa Bay with the stingrays, we hopped onto the golf cart and headed to downtown New Plymouth. We checked out a few local favorites like Pineapple's Bar and Grill and Miss Emily's Goombay Smash. Then we went to a church fair where we met some incredible Bahamians. One of our favorite parts of traveling is getting to experience the culture and connect with the locals along the way. After finishing up in town, we went and explored a few beaches.
On this visit, Bidda Bay was a bit rough, but other times we visited, we snorkeled the bay, found lots of sea glass and treasures on its beaches, and loved its gorgeous Bahamian blue waters.
While in town, we bought some squid and then went back to Cocoa Bay and fed the stingrays. It was an amazing experience.
We found this to be so cool, knowing so many other family vacations, we'd have to pay big money for tours to do things like this. But here we are, right down the street from our boat, feeding stingrays on our own. It was also a great learning opportunity as we had to study to learn how to respect the stingrays without harming them or their habitat. We also spent time with locals talking about this experience to ensure we weren't harming or bothering the stingrays.
After an exciting day, Mom, Dad, and Bruce and Norman settled down to watch their own movie while us girls snuggled and watched our own.
Off to church! Despite our crazy cool lifestyle, real life still happens out here. Lately, we've had some incredible moments and some really hard ones. But this church service spoke straight to our hearts. We praised Jesus because he knew exactly where we'd be and what we needed to hear. After church, we had another great day exploring the island, and as we did every day, we visited the local piggies. Hannah was determined we needed to bring one home. Can you imagine that? A pig aboard Stillwaters?
Huge sea laugh.
The next day, we took our golf cart into town and decided to hit Cocoa Bay one more time before we leave.
We ended up staying 6 nights in Green Turtle Cay and highly recommend visiting if headed to the Abacos. We even returned to the island as we came back north.
Thank you for watching part 1 of our Bahamas trip. Check back later for part 2 because we think it only gets better.